Hello fellow trans lovies, I'm your girl lady bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also leave a comment below. Uzalo, former actor Thobani Nzunza, well known as Khehla from Uzalo, he's saying there is a woman ofuna ukumbulala. Kodwa ke lo muntu wesifazane ofuna ukumbulala angeve funa yena kahle kahle bafuna unqobi yazo. So he took it to his Instagram page with video wasikhombisa ukuthi khona article evezayo ukuthi khona ama hitmen ayifuna ukumbulala eqashela ukuthi ambulale, kodwa kahle kahle labo bantu laba babengafuni yena, babefuna unqobi yazo. So ubhale kanjena ku-Instagram, I went to court to ask for protection order against Sanelisiwe Bhengu, but it failed and it was my second attempt. She claims to be very connected and have a lot of money. Perhaps that is why the Rand Bank court was not able to assist me. Instead of my first attempt to get protection order against her, they decided to risk my life by taking my protection order statement and give it to Sunday World journalist Ongwako Malachi. I have been harassed by this woman since February. When she came to my place with gentlemen and she claims to be her is in Kabi, that those are hitmans. When everything was quiet, I thought maybe they have found a way to fix this with Ngobi without threatening him to death. Suddenly, I visited Ngobi in 4 ways and she came like wildfire on my Instagram saying all of the offensive things, and I don't know what to do since the court is not able to help me. So this is really sad, guys, because lento le ifaka impilo yakhe engcupheni and yet impilo kaNqobi yazo. So I hope they get the justice prevails for them. Anyway, this is all, guys, for now. I'm out till next time.
Echaza ukuthi bekade ngifuna ama hitmen. So bebeyidayisela iphepha ama hitmen ngokwazi kwami abefuna umnqobi. Nebala ke afika ama hitmen endlini yami ehamba no Sanelisiwe Bhengu ifuma manager kaMnqobi. So bafikile ke ama hitmen abangazi inkabi. But yena kusanelisiwe unendlela engcono azoyichaza kule video.
I understand inkabi yini? Inkabi umuntu obulalayo. How much do we pay those people?
So ngenhlanhla enhle emnandi futhi embi eyibhadi angizoyichaza ukuthini. But mabefika eflatini bafika ngingekho. So eflatini la ngihlala khona kunendawo yokubhuka ukwazi ukulala ubusuku. So bafike abantu abazobhuka and it is ukuthi ungithole masungena ngaphathe ebuilding. Bangena bayithola indlami ukuthi kuphi ngebhat labo bafica ngingekho kukhona amajita abade siwe Cape Town as a pop art theater ezo performa ishow yayo the champion kaKhalethu Anthony. Mabefika endlini bangifica ngingekho bafika kukhona uKhalethu Anthony, uKhalethu Mufu. Bafika basebenza njani? Bathatha ID basebenza njani? Bashaya nokhaya lethu. Kodwa ke nangu nawe uzoyichazela ku video.
So this is what happened that day as we were coming from Uspola and we were like relaxing and watching TV, and then this lady came with these two guys and they were looking for Mnqobi, and we told them that we don't know who Mnqobi was, as we were from Cape Town and we were staying with you by that time. And so they were violent and they thought that we were hiding you, because they were also looking for you, saying that you were the one that was hiding Mnqobi. And we said we had no idea of Mnqobi, who Mnqobi was. And they wanted to take stuff. I remember they took, I think it was an ID that was on top of the table, and they wanted to take a laptop that was also on top of the table, which I said to them that the laptop was mine and we were using it for the show that we were doing at the pop art center. And the guys were threatening to like shoot us. I remember one of them had to kick me as I was like fighting for the laptop. I think so far that's what I still remember up to this day. And even the day after, I remember we came from the performance and we were waiting for you outside, and they were also outside, and the security was refusing to let them in, as you had already reported the case, you know, and they were still making threats that they were going to get you because of you were hiding Umnqobi from them. So yeah, I think that's it. I think so far that's how far I still remember what happened. But up to this day, I remember that they were violent and they were armed. That I cannot forget.
Uthi amayibuya ngakusasa ngafonela amaphoyisa ukuthi aweza azosiza, amaphoyisa afika sebehambile. Angitshela ukuthi ngeke azasithatha istatement amaphoyisa. Ngiphinde ngafonela mayesebuyile futhi. Okay, ngaqhubeka ngayihlalela ke endlini. Ngakusasa ngabona ukuthi okay bangadvise abantu ngihambe ngivula i-protection order. Ngahlala kuswela ngo-8 kwaze washaya u2 ntambama angakwazanga ukuyithola i-protection order. Of which masibuyela kule article enibonile eqaleni ayinginamthelele ekuthenini ukuze le ndaba ifike emaphepheni. Yonke into ebhalwe kwi-article i-reference wethu i-protection order engagcina ngayitholanga back because ngahlala kuswela ngo-8 waze washaya u2 ngilindela ukuthi ibuye from i-magistrate. Yes, i-magistrate. Ngaze ngagcina ngishiye kanjalo. So yonke into ebhalwe khona i-reference wewe from i-protection order. Anginasandla kuyona. Kodwa yonke into ebhalwe khona into eyayibhalwe yimina phansi, of which yonke into engibhalwe khona iyiqiniso. Ngenhlanhla enkulu uSanesh ungene live ku Facebook. Ubeyikhulumela nje angazi wazi wangena umfundisi uBhelebani wasekhosini angimazi angazi nanomsebenzi wakhe lo mfundisi uBhelebani lo wakhuluma ngayo. Kodwa into engichazile nento ayenzile ngesikhathi ekhuluma ngalokho kuze wafika emtheleni achaza ukuthi inkabi yini and umuntu oneinkabi vele so impilo yami ingcupheni nje basekhombisa ukuthi umuntu ononqa nami. Okunyaze wakusho uze washo nangawakha amazi ukuthi yena neinkabi zakhe wayithatha wazisa eJoburg eRandburg na ivideo ngizoyibonela.
Can I tell you the proper version? What I did, I went to Joburg with Inkabi, Randburg. Inkabi zambe zaye eGoli, zayobomba umnqobi.
So I recently posted a picture on Instagram which was taken by Umnqobiyazo. So I know Umnqobiyazo's page. It's Mnqobi_Yazo. So there's this new Umnqobiyazo that is insulting me. And I know who she is. So she's saying that I lost my job at Uzalo and at Isipo. I was fired. I cannot keep a job whatsoever that she's saying. And I orchestrated a story on a newspaper. Well, there was an article that was released by Sunday World, which was not orchestrated by me, but everything that is on that newspaper, it was referenced from a protection order I was filing for this particular woman who's here now insulting me. So she's saying all sorts of things, and I'm offended by those things that she says. And there's this very long comment she did here. She even says ukuthi mina ngibengondliwa imali yakhe u10k abeyade ukhokhela umnqobi every month. Mina bengenza umnqobi angayi kuma-interviews, bengenza umnqobi abhema ugwayi. Kuzobe namhlanje empilweni yami angubhema ugwayi. Angubhemi nje ugwayi ukuthi uthathaphi lokho kushoyo angikwazi. Yeah, uthi mina I was never a friend with umnqobi, so I only came once he was on radio stations, once he made him. So I met Umnqobi in a community art center called Umsindo Theatre Project. We were workshopping a theatre show with twin brothers Bong Musa and Msawenkosi Shabalala. So that is when I first met Umnqobi, and that time I was doing my first year duty in drama and drama and production studies. And Umnqobi was also doing his first year creative arts college, but somehow he was found on the street by this particular lady. and I don't wanna dwell into that. It's not my story to talk about. But what I want to talk about is that I'm offended by most of the things she says here. Uguti, I'm unemployed, I'm poor, I'm sucking ngikwababu rich nkabinde, and somehow I'm now a garden boy corner. I don't know what to do with this person. So I helped Umngobi to run away from Durban to Johannesburg because his previous manager or former manager, uSanelisiwe Pengu, had sent messages to him ukuthi uzombulala. And I'm sure he's also gonna post wonke lawo ma-death threats about Deshiwo, or he has opened a case against her because of zonke lezi zinto lezi beyisho yena lo sisi. So manje nami somehow sengigaxele ngoba ngamnikeza ulift ngaphinde ngamnikeza nendawo yokuhlala endlini yami. So she came endlini yami ney'nkabi zakhe, and there is a video where she actually saying it live on Facebook ukuthi she came with izinkabi eRandburg ezofuna umnqobi wakhe. So now she knows ukuthi umnqobi is no longer staying in my place ngoba nangalela langa kamtholanga, but still usaqhubeka nokulandelana nami. Uyangithuka kuma-social media ukuthi why engayi epejini kamnqobi ayothuka umnqobi epejini lakhe amtshele zonke lezi zinto afuna ukumtshela. Angazi why. So angazi ukuthi ngiyenzeni ukuze ngikwazi ukusizakala kule nto. Ngiyile epolice station bangitshela ukuthi alikho icala okwazi ukulivula le protection order for izinto ezibhalwe on social media. Angifuni ukuyibona ngisenkingeni ngelinye ilanga okanye ngithi ngiyayivikela kulimala omunye umuntu ngenxa yezinto akazikhulumayo. Ngiyakholelwa ukuthi uyingozi ngoba usekwazile ukufana ney'nkabi endlini yami, washaya nabantu abafica khona, wayithathela nezinto ayifica zikhona. So yeah, so lo sisi ungisendele imeseji engitshela ukuthi angibuyise umnqobi khona impilo yami izoba lula eSouth Africa. Angazi noma uNkulunkulu noma upresident noma uyini, kodwa nakho-ke yakuthumele kumina. Kuthe maqhubeka isikhathi ngabona sekuphume i-article kwi-Sunday World, then wangibuza ngayo ukuthi imina yini oyifakile, of which anginalo ulwazi layo because ngayozama ukuyokwenza i-protection order kodwa kwangaluka ngagcina sengiyishiye kanjalo. Mase ngibona seyiphuma emaphepheni, ngizamile ukusendela i-email i-journalist okuyiyona yabhala iphepha leli, ngibuza ukuthi iyayithola kuphi, but ayikazi ibuyele kumina on emails, ayikazi ngiphendule, ayikazi isho lutho. Even kuzobe namhlanje anginayo protection order and I'm scared for my life because lo muntu ubuye ngazuthi angazi ekhanda lakhe kwenzakalani nezinto ayishoyo. So amanye ama-messages lawa awasenda kumina engitshela ukuthi uyakwazi ukuwasebenzisa Sunday World ube journalist yakhona, angibuyise umnqobi or ngiyeke nokulokhu ngikhuluma ngayo emaphepheni, of which angikazi. So iwona wonke lama message engitshena nokuthi akasabi lutho yena, ngisende ne-address yala hlala khona eGlenmore.